Welcome back, guys. How are y'all doing? Right, last episode we took this beast to the Liddon Hill racetrack. Absolutely awesome, performed amazing. Hope you enjoyed that episode because I damn well enjoyed making it. Obviously we've got another track day coming up next, so I need to get the brakes sorted. So I'm just waiting on a few parts on that one. Nice little sponsor hopefully coming my way. So really appreciative of that. But for now, while we're waiting for parts, I thought, you know what, let's give the old girl a little bit of a spruce up. Let's get these headlights nice Joey modded, give it a little bit more of a sleek look. So yeah, stay tuned, come hang out. Cheers, guys.
Nice.
Right, so I'm going to get all this stripped out. I'm not going to be a how-to guide on this one. There's plenty of videos out there on doing Joey mod, but yeah, I'm going to get this out and I'll catch up with you in a second. I can't actually remember how to do this. It's been a little while since I watched the YouTube how-to guide, but I've got my heat gun, I've got my convincer, and whatever goes wrong, but no turning back now. No idea what I'm doing. It's starting to come off now. That was a lot more effort than I thought it'd be. There we go. So we're starting to dry again, which is a problem. Oh yeah, look at that. Woo! Happy days. Cool. I assume this just pops out. I don't know. Oh, so sticky. Horrible. Nice. Wow, it's going to look so good when they're painted. Cool. Okay, so that's all apart now. I'm going to try and figure out how to get these inside bits and bobs out. But yeah, it's going to look awesome. Okay, so this bit's out now. I just need to paint it. I've cleaned it all up with some solvent cleaner as much as I can, so I am hoping the paint will stick. But let's find out. So I'm going for a fluorescent yellow on the top bit, then the rest of it I'll probably do black. Yeah, should look pretty good and go with the theme of the car. But yeah. Also guys, I'm taking this little beauty to officially gassed at Silverstone. So if any of you are heading to that and you want to see the old girl, she'll be there on display. Also, the next day I'm hitting Santa Pod Japfest. Going to meet up and video my good friend Jack with his 1JZ swapped Nissan S13 as he's doing a drift demo there. So that's going to be freaking awesome. So if you see me around, come say hi. I've got a few stickers for you guys and I would love to meet you guys. So yeah, give me a shout. Thank you. So I've gone for a nice glittery paint here. Gone on the cover as well. Starting to reassemble now. Looking pretty good. Nom nom. Also, I can never remember or not whether I told you, but I've got some carbon mirrors now. Some proper carbon. Replace those fake ones we put on. The fake ones looked really good. And now we got proper carbon fibre mirror covers, both sides, which looks much better. Yeah, absolutely appreciate it, guys. Just hit 700 subscribers, which is absolutely insane. So thank you all so much. Appreciate you following my journey. We're only at the beginning of my journey. Just about next stage is to upgrade the brakes, and then we can head over to Brands Hatch and get that tested over there. All in preparation for the Nürburgring, like I keep saying, I know, but you know, follow my journey. Appreciate every single one of you. If you haven't already, click that subscribe. Right, let's carry on. Together now, it's looking pretty cool. Not too sure why, but this has gone a bit matte. So whatever I've cleaned it with has gone and messed up the lens, but other than that, that's a lot better, and that'll blend in a lot more. Alright, so you have one done now. I mean, now it's a pair, it looks pretty good actually. Quite happy with that. Brings the yellow in of the roll cage. Nom nom. So yeah, so that's my headlights, all Joey modded, looking good. So go do yours now. But other than that, a couple of good videos coming this way. So click that subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. All the best. See you later.